What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to give you a business update on my bookkeeping business, what happened in May 2024, and then stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to give you 3 practical tips that will help you start and grow your own bookkeeping business so that you can get to the point where I am. If we haven't had the chance to meet yet, my name is Zach Pasquarello. I started my bookkeeping business 4 years ago. I make these YouTube videos for 2 reasons. First, I genuinely love talking about my own bookkeeping business. And reason number 2, I'm passionate about teaching and helping you to start and grow your own bookkeeping business. That way, you can learn from the mistakes that I made, avoid those mistakes, and fast track to success. I'm putting out new videos every single week, so you should subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notifications every week when I drop a new video. Let's look at the numbers. Let's see what happened in my own bookkeeping business in May of 2024. And let me just say, I like to be totally transparent with my financials and my business, my success and my failure, not because I'm trying to convince you that I make a lot of money, but rather I want to convince you that you can make a lot of money, because between you and me, there is no difference. I'm not smarter than you. I don't have more education than you. I don't have necessarily more opportunity than you, although there are always some unique circumstances. But in general, you're probably just as smart as me. You're probably able to work just as hard as me. The only difference between you and me is that I have been consistent every day for a long period of time. So if you're brand new to the bookkeeping business, then you simply have not been able to put in as much time as I have. That's what I talk about all the time. Consistency every day and commitment to a long-term goal. That's all it takes to succeed, especially as a bookkeeping business owner. You got to be consistent every day and commit to a long-term goal. Okay, let's break it down. Let's look at my numbers. In May of 2024, I onboarded 3 new clients, which means now I have 69 clients and they pay me on average $460 per month, which means I have $31,000 of monthly recurring revenue from my current clients. So as long as nothing changes, my business doesn't grow, I don't lose any clients, if nothing changes, I can be confident I will at least make $31,000 every month moving forward. That's the beauty of this bookkeeping business. There is monthly recurring revenue. So I have multiple streams of income. If you're brand new to the channel, I'm going to break it down real quick. I'm going to tell you exactly what I made in May of 2024. My bookkeeping, $38,000. Now I told you I have $31,000 of monthly clients, but the 3 new clients who I onboarded, they all needed a cleanup or catch up from January through May. So I charged them their monthly fee times 5 for January through May. And I had one client prepay 6 months in advance. So that's why I made $38,000 last month, but I only have $31,000 of monthly recurring clients. I do sell a bookkeeping course. I made $3,800 last month. I sold 3 copies of the course. If you want to check it out, check out the links in the description of this video. I also do one-on-one consultations and I sell digital downloads. Also in the link of this, also in the description of this video. I made $2,800 on one-on-one consultations and digital downloads. I am a private money lender. So I lend money to real estate investors for real estate acquisitions. Last month, I made $2,400 interest income. And then finally, I make advertisement revenue from YouTube. I made $1,000 in May 2024 on my YouTube channel. So all in May 2024, I made $49,000 and I had $2,800 of expenses. So my net operating income for May of 2024 was $46,300. This year I have made $218,000 from January through May. That's strictly profit. Now, also, let me break down who my clients are. Somebody recently asked me in the comment section, who What type of industries do I work with? So let me tell you exactly the type of industries I work with. I have 69 clients. So I have 19 construction companies. When I say construction, I mean a variety of things, such as home remodeling companies, general contractors, landscaping companies, HVAC companies, electrical companies, handyman services, junk removal, roofing companies. So when I say construction, I just kind of mean anything that involves repairs and maintenance on buildings. But I have 19 construction companies. I have 6 marketing companies. I have 18 real estate companies. So this is real estate investors and real estate agents. 18 real estate investors, and I have 9 trucking companies. So I kind of have a niche, not really. I accept any and all customers, but I really like construction companies, real estate investors, and trucking companies. And then finally, I have 17 other miscellaneous companies, and I can briefly explain what that is. I have some staffing companies, software, restaurant, auto mechanic, a virtual assistant company, graphic design and memorabilia. I have behavioral health, like a psychologist, counselor, medical sales, consulting and education, a legal services, bounce house rental company, a hair salon, a cleaning company, and a technology company. So just kind of miscellaneous, kind of all over the place. So I don't have a niche in the companies who I work with. So I work with any and all clients. The only niche that I have is the service that I provide. I only do bookkeeping. I don't do taxes or payroll. And the software that I work with, I only work with QuickBooks Online. I don't work with Sage, Xero, or QuickBooks Desktop. Okay, so that's a brief rundown of my business, where I am up until this point, May 2024. Now, let me give you 3 tips on how to grow your bookkeeping business to get to the point where I am right now. The best thing that you can do is to do your bookkeeping daily and weekly. Don't wait until the end of the month, and also don't try to do all of your clients every single day. So I have 69 clients. I work Monday through Friday. So I do about 12 to 14 clients every single day. I would be overworked if I tried to do all 69 clients every single day. So I just do each client 1 day a week. It takes me about 2 to 4 hours, depending on how many emails and phone calls I get. And that enables me to continue doing marketing and sales every day, every week, every month, every year. I am able to continuously do marketing and sales. And I think that's important. As soon as you get complacent with your business, as soon as you stop marketing and selling, your business will slow down its growth. It might grow a little bit based on word of mouth, but you're going to lose clients. It's natural. Businesses go out of business. Clients hire an in-house bookkeeper, or they have their husband or wife start doing their bookkeeping for them, or they just switch bookkeepers. It happens. But as soon as you stop doing marketing and selling, your business will slow down. So you need to continuously do marketing and sales. And by only doing my clients once a week, I'm able to do a couple hours of marketing and sales every single day, continuously, every day. That way I stay consistent. Some months I have a good month, I'll onboard 3 to 10 clients. Other months I won't onboard anybody and I'll lose a couple clients. That's just the up and down of the business, but you need to just stay consistent with your sales and marketing. And the only way to do that is to plan time every day or at least every week to do some type of sales and marketing. I'm not going to get too much into my sales and marketing strategy in this video, but I have a ton of other videos. Totally recommend it. Check out my other videos specifically on sales and marketing. The other thing you can do, tip number 2, stay organized so that you can complete your tasks and provide high quality customer service. As a bookkeeper, you're going to get a ton of emails from your clients. So you need to stay organized so that you don't get too stressed out, so that you can actually do your job. If I wasn't digitally organized with my emails, I would miss things and I would provide bad customer service. The worst thing you can do is work really hard to get your first client and then do a bad job and don't deliver high quality customer service and then lose your client. You just spent so much time doing sales and marketing, getting your client. Now all you have to do is do a good job, provide high quality customer service, stay organized, respond to emails, answer phone calls, do the daily and weekly and monthly and quarterly tasks that need to get done as a bookkeeper. Provide high quality customer service and then keep your clients. If you keep your clients for a long time, that is so valuable to your business, your revenue, and the growth of your business. So you got to stay organized. There's no magical way to stay organized. I don't use any fancy CRM software. Everything I run through my email and Excel spreadsheets. If you're the kind of person who loves fancy software and CRMs, I'm not saying they're a bad idea, but if you have less than 70 clients, you definitely can run your business strictly through Excel and your email. I'm not saying that's the best way to do it. That's just the way I do it. Okay, let's wrap up this video. Tip number 3, you have to create a fast and efficient onboarding process. I am able to onboard a client in one day, and here's what it looks like. I reach out to them on Facebook or they reach out to me. They say, hey, can you talk? I say yes. We schedule a phone call. We talk on the phone. I ask them about their business. I let them know that I need to be invited to their QuickBooks, or I need to see their 3 most recent bank statements so that I can give them a quote. While I have them on the phone, I get some basic information. How many bank accounts do you have? How many employees do you have? Credit cards, loans? Do you need help with payroll? Do you have subcontractors? Do you have any assets, vehicles, buildings? Do you need help with accounts payable, accounts receivable? Are you currently using QuickBooks? I ask some basic questions during the phone call, and then I get invited to their QuickBooks, or I get their 3 most recent bank statements so that I can give them a quote. And then I just look at their transactional data, add up their transactions. I send them a quote, a fixed monthly quote for bookkeeping. And then if they accept the quote, I send them a client agreement and an invoice straight from QuickBooks. I can get all of that done as long as the client responds quickly. I can get all of that done in one day. And that is so important to have a fast and efficient onboarding process so that you can get more clients quickly. That's kind of the whole idea. You want to make the onboarding process easy for the client so that there's no way that you could lose them through the onboarding process. So sales consultation, QuickBooks invite, quote, they agree, send the client agreement. I use PandaDoc to electronically send my client agreement. Check out the link in the description of this video. You can sign up for PandaDoc. Totally recommend using PandaDoc to send your client agreements. And if you don't have a client agreement, I also have one available for download on my website. That's linked below. And then finally, I use QuickBooks to send all of my invoices. So super simple to keep track of your accounts receivable using QuickBooks Online. Definitely recommend doing that. Okay, that's it for the video. Let's summarize the 3 tips. Do your clients daily and weekly so that you can focus on marketing and sales every single day or at least every single week. Tip 2, stay organized so you can complete all of your tasks efficiently and provide high quality customer service so that you keep all of your clients. Finally, tip number 3, create a fast, easy, and efficient onboarding process so that you can get more clients and make more money.